Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and this cute little guy is the Goowin shower curtain double hook. I really like it for so many different reasons. So what are the benefits of a double shower hook? For one thing, you don't have to remove your shower curtain rod to add these on top, which makes life so much easier. For another, it spaces out your liner from your shower curtain, which allows for everything to dry faster after a shower. Another benefit of these little hooks is that if you're ever going to remove your shower curtain to wash it or replace your liner, it is just so easy to do because you just simply lift the grommets of your shower curtain or your liner right off and put the new one on. I actually find that the beads on top make it easier for these hooks to glide across the curtain rod smoothly so they're not like getting stuck or jammed, which is always a big pain in the butt when you're trying to open or close the curtain. Honestly, there's a reason why these hooks have such high reviews. They work great, they're functional, they make life easier, and I definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.